Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for IIT JEE. First, focus on building a rock-solid foundation. Begin by thoroughly understanding every concept from your insert textbooks. Don't just memorize formulas. Truly grasp the derivations and the principles behind them. This deep understanding is crucial. Make sure to solve all the examples and exercises provided in these foundational books, as they lay the groundwork for more complex problems. Next, it's all about applying those concepts through rigorous problem solving. Dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours daily to practicing a diverse range of physics problems. After attempting, always analyze your mistakes carefully. This helps pinpoint any conceptual weaknesses. Before jumping to a solution, spend a minute or two truly understanding what the problem is asking and what principles are involved. Consistent revision and mock tests are your best friends. Create concise, one-page summary notes for each chapter to aid quick revision, especially for your weaker topics. Aim to take at least one full-length mock test every week under strict exam conditions. After each test, spend significant time reviewing your performance, understanding where you lost marks, and identifying any recurring time management challenges. Finally, consistency and a positive mindset are paramount. Establish a disciplined study routine, allocating a dedicated block of time, perhaps 2 hours, specifically for physics each day. It's a long journey, so staying positive and believing in your own capabilities will fuel your progress. Never hesitate to reach out to your teachers or study partners for clarification on challenging concepts. Collaboration can be incredibly beneficial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.